Did you just purchase furniture that need to be assembled? We assembly, install and disassembly all kind of flat pack home and office furniture. We specialize in the installation of ready-to-assemble home furniture and office furniture.
Bed frames assembly and disassembly. Bookcase furniture assembly. Living room furniture assembly. Bed and bathroom furniture assembly.
We provide modular office furniture assembly and disassembly service. All our installation and assembly services are fully insured.
Office cubicle assembly and disassembly. Office chair assembly and disassembly. Office desk assembly and disassembly. Office conference room assembly and disassembly.
Call us now. 240-705-2263. Or visit us online. www.furnitureassemblyexperts.com.